Hello viewers, this is Unicorndays Tarot, and I'm going to give a unicorn reading using the unicorn oracle cards, and it's a message for the day. And when you see this message, on the day that you see it, hopefully it will resonate with you and it will have a message that will help you in some way. Okay, so I'm going to shuffle the cards now and we'll see what we get. Okay, and the card we have is Nature, and they're asking me to look at the bottom of the deck, which is Delight. Okay, the first thing that I get with this card is the word grounding. They're talking about grounding. They're talking about saying it's okay to dream, but don't lose yourself in fantasy. They're saying have one foot in reality and the other in fantasy. So dare to dream, but don't fixate so much on the future and the future dreams that you forget about the now. And they're saying some of you have recently had to face some issues that were unexpected, and I feel that you feel a little bit cheated because you've been working on being very positive and you've been doing your best to expect the best, but outside influences have thrown you through a loop, are the words that I'm getting here. So things have happened that you would consider negative or a problem, and it's almost like this is a test. I feel they're saying final test, and again they're talking about expecting the best, but they're also saying stand up for yourself. So for some of you, they're asking you to stand up for yourself because this is what you failed to do in the past, and it's not wrong to stand up for yourself. And they're saying to an extent it's not wrong to be angry, but I believe this has come up in a previous reading. They're telling you not to get embroiled in drama, to stand up for yourself in a dignified way, and as much as possible without hurting others. So speak your truth without accusations and without judgment, which is not such an easy thing to do, but it's more about telling people what you want without highlighting their own issues. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So for instance, if someone has been unkind to you and has been overbearing, rather than saying to them, you're unkind and you're overbearing, you can say, I want people in my life who are kind and don't try to control me or manipulate me. And I feel that maybe that's happening and I'd rather avoid it now. So you're not directly accusing someone. This is just an example. Obviously, whatever these issues are can be completely different things. You know, I'm being told about financial issues as well. Again, going to the financial issues, know that you will find solutions, know that you always have in the past, and relax, try to stop stressing, and know that good outcomes will come. And you'd be amazed again, I think I've mentioned this in a previous reading, about the solutions that will come. So, you've been waiting a long time for things to get better, so it's quite easy to sort of kind of lose yourself in fantasy. Do that, but dip your toes in reality as well. There's a lot of healing around you, there's a lot of greens in this card, and I feel that this reading is particularly for those that love nature, love horses, dogs, getting outside, walking, and birds as well. Bird lovers, possibly bird watchers. I'm also getting bees, so I feel that someone has an affinity with bees and possibility of beekeeping. The bumblebee is coming as well. And I feel the bee is also talking about working in community and working with others and being part of a community, but also that lovely feeling of walking in nature, walking among the trees, walking in the hills, walking on beach. If you're in the city, there's a particular park or a particular area that you love to walk where there are flowers and trees. And I'm being told about a favourite seat, a favourite bench where you like to sit. And for some of you, you get a little bit irritated when you find that your seat has been taken by someone else, and you are an early bird. It seems to be resonating, in a specific way. An early bird who goes out early, particularly so that they can have a bit of quiet on this bench. For some of you, it's by water and there are ducks, so that is quite specific. That hopefully will resonate. And they're saying to continue to enjoy and embrace this nature as much as you can. And I think you are outdoor people who resonate with this reading, so this is something that you do. And they're talking about allowing the thoughts into your head, the visions into your head as you walk, and to just be open to all of the thoughts that come to you, whether you would deem them as negative or sad or positive and happy. Just let them come to you. And they're saying also, while you're walking, to look to the future. A lot of you are into affirmations, and you make affirmations as you walk, and they're saying that's a great thing because they can connect to that and help you. And if you're sad or the sad feelings come, they can connect and heal you. I'm getting archangels here: Jophiel, Raphael, Metatron, Michael, Ariel are coming through to me here, and the colour pink is coming through to me here, and red. So hopefully that'll resonate with some of you. And yellow ochre is coming to me. They're asking me to go to the card Delight, and they're talking about the dandelion here and timing. And again, they're saying, they're acknowledging that you feel that you've been waiting a long time, and for some of you, you felt that time stood still. And they're talking about, again, the perfect timing. And the little unicorn here is like a fairy pony with wings. is flying forward, and the greens in the main, the feeling, you know, that the words I'm getting is that you're healed, and when you move forward here, you are really appreciating the good things in your life and having gratitude for the good things in your life. And they're saying you're understanding the timings now, and to accept and wait for the opportunities to come to you, and to always expect the best, which I feel that you are doing. I really do. I feel that you do, and you're starting to expect the best, and to just keep going forward with this, keep going forward. They are actually saying that soon something will happen that will delight you, and they're saying it's a surprise. So obviously you're not meant to know what it is. You've just got to wait and see what comes. I get the word carry here. The word crane. Brenda. Barney. I had this before and I've got it again. The word brown owl. It came in another reading and it's come again. Bianca, Melody, Marnie, Pete, Pansy, Christopher or Chris, Tonya, Tracy, Tigger, Trudy, Paul. That's all I get from these cards. I hope that they've helped you in some way and given you a message that will resonate. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.